branding in YouTube. For that, first I'm going to create a image for that. For that, I'm going to canva.com for creating the image. Here I'm choosing Instagram post for creating the image. Here you can see a blank page will display. In this, I'm going to type YouTube. In photo section, I'm going to type YouTube and enter. And here you can see lot of image will come. I'm choosing the first one, for example. Here I am giving a backend color for that. I'm choosing red, matching okay. Now I am adding some text for that, and it's up. And now click, and here select JPEG. I'm choosing this one and download. Okay, now the image has been created. Now go to your dashboard. In this dashboard, go to customization. Here go to branding and click change, and I am selecting this one, this image, and just click open, and it's done. After you done everything, click on publish. That's it. This is the way to make your video mark in YouTube. If you like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.